Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. First, confirm the exact Apple ID email you use and any recovery phone or alternate email. Make sure your device has internet and the date/time is set to automatic. Mismatched time often blocks authentication. Restart the device to clear transient errors, then immediately try signing in through settings or at Apple.com. If prompted, choose Send Verification or enter password and watch for a 6-digit code. This verifies the account before deeper fixes. Once signed and fails, use Forgot Password to reset using the recovery email or trusted phone number. Follow the emailed link or SMS code. Make sure two-factor authentication status and trusted devices are visible on Apple.com so you can receive codes. Update iOS, iPadOS, or macOS to the latest version to avoid incompatibilities that block sign-in. If you see unknown devices, remove them and change the password. This prevents device conflicts and forces tokens to refresh. To finish, sign out of iCloud on every device and sign back in using the new password so tokens refresh across services. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear VPN or DNS issues, and then try a different Wi-Fi or cellular network to rule out carrier blocks. If the account remains locked or shows security holds, contact Apple support. Have your device serial, Apple ID, and proof of purchase ready. One quick tip, try signing in at iCloud.com to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.